Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to solve day 23 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 3461. Check if digits are equal in string after operations 1. So in this problem, you are given a string S consisting of digits. We have to perform the following operations repeatedly until the string has exactly 2 digits, right? For each pair of consecutive digits in S, starting from the first digit, we have to calculate a new digit as the sum of the two digits modulo 10, right? And then we have to replace S with the sequence of newly calculated digits, maintaining the order in which they are computed, right? And we have to return true if the final two digits in S are the same. Otherwise, we have to return false. So very easy problem statement, right? So here, if you see this example number 1, so this is my string initially, right? 3902, right? So here, first what we need to do in first operation, so first we need to take this 3 and 9. So 3 plus 9 modulus with 10, we are going to get 2. Then we have to take 9 0. So 9 plus 0 modulus with 10 is 9. Then we have to take 0 2. 0 plus 2 modulus with 10 is 2. So this is the new string that we are going to get, 292, right? So now again, this string doesn't have two digits, exactly two digits, right? So it has three, right? So again we need to do the same operation, right? So first we need to take 2 9. 2 plus 9 modulus with 10, we are going to get 1. 9 plus 2 modulus with 10, we are going to get 1, right? Now our string becomes this 1 1, right? Now this digit, right, has exactly two digits, right? And here if you see first and second, both are same, right? Since the digits in 1 1 are same, the output is true. That's what we need to do, right? Same here, example number 2. So first we need to take 3 4. 3 4 is 7. Then 4 plus 7, 11. 11 modulus with 10 is 1. Then 7 8 is 15. 15 modulus with 10, 5. Then 8 9 is 17. 17 modulus with 10 is nothing but 7. So this is what we're going to get. Then here 7 plus 1 8. 1 plus 5 6. 6 modulus 10 with 6 only, right? 7 5 12, where modulus with 10 is 2, right? So this is what we are going to get. 8 6 14. 14 modulus 10 is 4, and 6 plus 2 8, right? Modulus 10 8 only. Then here if you see this, only two digits are there, and see first and second both are not matching, so we are returning false. That's it. And here these are the constants. Constant size is very small, s dot length from 3 to 100, and s consists of only digits, right? So here in this particular video I have solved this problem using a string builder, right? So if you want, you can see this approach as well, string builder approach, right? And now in today's video I'm not going to solve this problem using string builder. I'm directly going to solve it using array, right? So very simple. So let's write the code and I will explain side by side. So it's nothing complex. Whatever is asked in the problem statement, we will do the same thing, right? So first thing, this is my string, right? 3902. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert all these two digits first, right? So instead of using string builder, I'm going to use digits now, right? So what I'm going to do here, first just calculate the length of string, initial length, s dot length, right? And after that create one digits array, and here new int, and here n, right? And now I'm just going to run one loop, int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, right? And here I'm just going to write digits of I is equal to s dot character at index I, right? And I'm going to subtract 0 from it, so I'm going to get one digit, right? Numerical value, right? And now we have to run one while loop until my n becomes equal to 2, right? So here I will say while my n is greater than 2, I will just going to run this loop, right? And here I'm going to create a new array next, let's say. And here next time what is going to happen, my n size will be reduced, right? Every time. So here I'm going to reduce my n size, so in the next, right? And now here what I'm going to do, here I'm just going to iterate over all the elements one by one. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than n minus 1, I plus plus, right? So here if you see, we have digits like this, right? 3902, 3902, right? So here 0 1 2 3, right? And now all these are numbers, right? Next time I have to check this and then this, right? So here I'm ending, right? So if I'm reach here, then I'm taking this element as well, right? So that is why in the for loop, if you see, I'm writing I is less than n minus 1 here, right? And here I'm going to update my next of I as nothing but here I'm going to write digits at I, right? Simple maths, right? And here digits at I plus 1, and here modulus with 10. That's it, and that's it. Okay, so here this is how I'm going to update my next, and then after that I'm just going to update my digits as next, right? So I'm updating my digits array with the next, whatever the next I have, right? And here I'm just going to do n minus minus, right? So every time I'm running inside this loop, so my n size is going to be reduced, right? So first if you see here, 3902 4, then it becomes 3, then it becomes 2, right? Same way here, first it is 5, then 4, then 3, right? So when it becomes 2, we have to stop, right? when n, while n is greater than 2, we have to run this, and as soon as n becomes 2, we have to stop, right? And now after that, once this is done, so in the end, what you need to do, you have to just check the final two digits, right? So here you have to return true if digits of 0 is equal to digits at 1 index. That's it, right? So now let's run it and let's see. So here this is string, right? So you have to write it like this. So see, all the test cases have been accepted, right? Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And the time complexity for this is going to be n square, right? So approximately in worst case scenario, this is also going to run for O of n time, and this is also going to run for O of n time in worst case scenario. So I'm going to say that time complexity is over n square. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in the comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.